Now looking at escape characters, this might be a bit tricky to get your head around, but let's look at this example first. So if you type name A is a Smith, so as you can see we're using these code symbol to write that name, so Python knows this is a string. But what happens if we want to write it's Smiths? So let's look at that. So we need to write A and then Smith. Then we need to write first a backslash. What this tells Python is that now, hey Python, I'm putting a special character in front of it. Please take that as a character for the string, not as a Python symbol. So for example, if we type that in and then S and we close that, now if you type a variable, so you get Smiths, so you can actually type that in. Now that's one example. And also if you want to write two lines, a string that prints in two different lines, then you need to also use the backslash, but with n, that means new line. Let's look at that. So person's detail equals to name slash n, and then a's slash n, and date of birth. Let's close that. And now if we print person's detail, person, P-R-S-O-N, person's detail, of course I typed that wrong, so name A's and DOB. So you can see the slash n here has worked as a new line, so we get the new line for each of those. And what also you can do is, let's say you need to type in a URL for something, Google homepage equals to https // now the first backslash is saying I need to type in the next line as a character, so that is my character. I need to type in another two, so that is my character. These two will help Python understand that these two are the actual backslash I need as a character on my string. So then we'll do www.google.com, and when we hit enter, now you'll notice two different things. Let's access the variable first. You'll see we can still see 4 backslash because this is how we have stored it, and this is where we are accessing the stored variable. But now if you go and print that Google homepage, now you can see we've got 2 backslash. So that's how Python understands this string. That's how it looks at it, but that's how it saves the variable. So that's all about strings for now, guys. Thanks for watching the video. I'll see you in the next tutorial.